Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to determine how base values, coefficients, and constants will affect the graph of an exponential function and how to graph exponential functions. How are we learning it? Through the Graphing Exponential Functions Part 5 notes and the Graphing Exponential Functions Part 5 assignment. When can we use this information? To calculate the amount of money in a savings account, including interest. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Graphing Exponential Functions Part 5 assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over our learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. Once you've completed your Get It Started, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. After that, I'll give you time to complete the Graphing Exponential Functions Part 5 assignment on Google Slides. Once you've completed the assignment, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is to continue working on the Exponential Functions Study Guide and any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's take a look now at the Graphing Exponential Functions Part 5 assignment. The assignment begins with our learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, it tells us to go back to Google Classroom and click on the link that has our name listed. And it should take you to a page that looks like this. Now for this one, you're going to create your own set of notes. So it says, what is an exponential function? So you're going to give me the definition of an exponential function. And then you're going to find some kind of visual aid and copy and paste that in here. Then we're going to take a look at exponential functions as a table. So you're going to tell me how I can recognize exponential functions from a table. You'll give some instructions here. And then over here, you're going to fill in the table to show that. Then exponential functions as graphs. You're going to find 4 visual examples of exponential functions and paste those in here. If we continue to scroll down, we're going to talk about exponential function equations. So what is the parent function? So you'll put the parent function in here. What is a visual of the parent function? So what does the parent function actually look like? And you'll continue to fill this in following the directions of what it gives you. And you'll continue to fill this in following the directions of what it asks you. So you'll add all of these in. At the end, you're going to find a helpful video from YouTube and paste that video into here. So you're going to essentially create notes for future students on what they need to know about graphing exponential functions. Once you've completed this, you'll go back to your Google form and click Next. This will send you to your Before You Go. Go ahead and fill out your Before You Go and then submit your work on Google Classroom.